counties in Pennsylvania, Butler and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Slippery Rock or 8 miles east of New Castle, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.